great rates available for you as well. Call Turnbusters for a quote. 1-800-908-7636. You're probably paying more than you should. Call 1-800-908-7636. Remember, call Turnbusters. 1-800-908-7636. Sample rate for preferred non-tobacco rate class. Exam required to qualify.
Dan Bongino.
A Spanish conquistador made a discovery.
He found a fabulous green gemstone.
For 300 years, everyone thought it was an emerald.
Then they found some that were multicolored.
Tourmaline takes its name from a word that means mixed gemstones.
And Shreve has them, of course.
Tourmaline is the colorful gemstone for a colorful personality.
Shreve, the rare, the exotic, and the beautiful.
For 170 years.
At 150 Post off Union Square.
And in Palo Alto, perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
You wash your hands, you brush your teeth, but what about the nose? How do you clean your nose? With Navage. Navage uses powered suction to pull saline in one nostril, around the back of the nose, and out the other nostril, flushing out allergens, mucus, and germs. And it's why cleaning your nose, the body's air filter, is the next evolution in daily personal hygiene. People try Navage for lots of reasons. Sinusitis, colds, allergies, snoring, things that make it hard to breathe through your nose. But over time, they find that cleaning their nose makes them feel better, a lot better. Over 3 million Navage users have written more than 100,000 reviews, averaging 4.7 stars, saying, best product I've ever used, and amazing, I love my Navage. Navage helps you breathe better, sleep deeper, and snore less, but the biggest payoff is improved health. Navage is good personal hygiene and can help you stay healthier. At Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Target, and online. Navage, N-A-V-A-G-E, clean nose, healthy life.
One search engine is used by 9 out of 10 consumers. The name begins with a G, and there are hundreds of things that go into being ranked highly by that engine. Your website, your business profile, even your social accounts. A couple of slip-ups, and you find yourself on page 7. But at Cumulus Boost, we have the experts and resources to fix what's wrong and boost your findability, so you can rank higher than your competition. Get started today at cumulusboost.com. C-U-M-U-L-U-S boost.com. Breathe and faster again, but no results. Then I heard about Dynamite supplements for gut health, and all of the reviews sounded just like my Bella. After just 2 weeks, she had major improvements with the smell, and no more scratching or dragging her stomach across the carpet, and her coat is more beautiful than ever.
Get 10% off your next order of Dynamite nutritional supplements for dogs at Dynobite.com. Happier with every bite. Over 1 million pets helped with Dynobite.
If you're 19 or older with certain underlying medical conditions such as asthma or diabetes, you can get vaccinated against pneumococcal pneumonia, a potentially serious bacterial lung disease that can disrupt your life for weeks. If you're 65 or older, it is also recommended you get vaccinated against pneumococcal pneumonia. No matter the season, talk to your doctor about vaccination today and learn more at lung.org/protectyourself. A message from the American Lung Association in collaboration with Pfizer.
Furnished by the American Lung Association.
Why are you buying gold from Birch Gold right now? What is it about the market that scares you? Why does gold provide you security and peace of mind? Inflation continues to be a plague in our economy, our families, and our savings. And the irresponsible spending from the left just continues to exacerbate the problem. Don't be over-leveraged in the stock market, and don't let your savings wither away. Hedge inflation with gold from Birch Gold like I do. That's right, I buy gold from Birch Gold, and you can too. Listen to this. You text Bongino, B-O-N-G-I-N-O, to 989898. For your free information kit on gold, you get a free gold bar with any purchase by December 26th. But you have to claim your offer by Black Friday. Don't allow the left to keep out. Text Bongino to 98989 to claim your free information kit from Birch Gold. You could own physical gold and silver in a tax-sheltered retirement account, and Birch Gold will help you do it. When you place an order by Friday, December 22nd, Birch Gold will send you a free gold bar. Text Bongino to 989898. Secure your future with gold. Do it today. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Some data rates apply.
There are 3 things we really care about: God, family, and country. The Dan Bongino Show.
Lisa Booth filling in for Dan Bongino on this beautiful Friday. I want to ask you, next hour we're going to spend talking about the GOP-led House.
what this means for the future of the country, how Republicans can take the fight to Democrats. What can they do with it? You've got the power of the purse, you've got investigation and oversight, potential impeachment. So what does that look like? What does the fight ahead look like for Republicans? We're going to talk to Congressman Andy Biggs of Arizona about that. He challenged Kevin McCarthy for the Speaker's gavel. Why did he do that? And also there's this Respect for Marriage Act, but what does it really mean? Because things aren't always as it seems. For supporters, they say the Respect for Marriage Act is just a bill that will simply affirm the same-sex marriage status quo. But what does it mean for Christian churches? We're going to talk to him about that. But what do you as I spend next hour talking about the GOP-led House, what it means, what's important, what do you want to see from a GOP-led House? What do you want them to do? 844-484-3872. I want to hear from you on that. What do you want from a GOP-led House? And look, there's a lot that Republicans can do in the House. I mean, we're going to have a slim majority, so we'll see. A lot of people we've obviously celebrated the slaying of the dragon of Nancy Pelosi stepping down, but she's also the devil that we know. The devil that we don't know is potentially Hakeem Jeffries. What he looks like as minority leader, it looks like he's going to get it. What he's going to be like as minority leader. So we don't know that. We see these young bucks in the Democrat Party. They're pretty crazy, right? You look at the squad, kind of really insane, to be honest. So does he take the party further to the left? So what does that new fight look like with the balance of power? But I want to play this clip because I feel like Representative Thomas Massey did a good job sort of breaking down the different kind of bills that you can expect from a Republican-led House. Let's play cut 2.
There are going to be the messaging bills that are full of great policy, the things we would do if we had the White House and the Senate, but we don't. So they're going to be dead on arrival. But it's still worth passing those. The action, though, is going to be on the second type of bill. Those are the spending bills. And that's where we can really dial back a lot of what Joe Biden, Nancy Pelosi, and Chuck Schumer have done to this country.
So there he goes. He's laying out, look, you're going to have these messaging bills, basically trying to send a message with legislation, but we know it's not going to go anywhere. But it's still valiant because then you force your Democrat opponents, you force your Democrat colleagues in the House to vote on something. Maybe it's something on the border security, just a straight up border security bill, whatever it is, you're trying to force their hand, so get them on record as opposing certain things. The second one is, look, there's a fight over money, the power of the purse, how money is being allocated, how much money the executive branch gets. I mean, Democrats can't enact their agenda without funding. So what does that fight look like? Do Republicans hold the line on the border crisis? Do they hold the line on vaccine mandates? Do they hold the line on those 87,000 new IRS agents? Do they hold the line on the Democrats' war on energy? Do they hold the line on all these reckless spending that's driving up inflation that's costing you more? So what do they do with the power of the purse? And it's not just the House either. The Senate matters as well, particularly if Herschel Walker gets in. If you've got that evenly split Senate, what's important to look at is that you've got these Democrats, 23 Democrats are up for re-election next cycle, as opposed to Republicans 10. So you've got Democrats in really competitive states who are going to be watching their back, like Joe Manchin. So there might be some ability to hamstring Joe Biden a little bit more with the power of the House. And then also, the Senate sort of being in this dicey scenario, this split scenario, with a lot of these members and a lot of these Democrats facing tough re-elections. So that dynamic is going to look interesting as well. But we're going to get into it with